What if I want to store something apart from the numbers? There is a special variable called a string variable. Now each string variable name ends with $sign. You have to remember this. Whenever a name is ending with $sign, it is a string variable. So a string variable can store alphabets, numbers, words, sentences and special symbols. A value assigned to a string variable should be enclosed in quotes. Remember, you have to enclose the value that you are giving to a string variable in quotes. Similar to numeric variables, string variables are also case sensitive. So we will see what do we mean by case sensitive. Now let's say name pet I write here, then I will write a $sign because it's a string variable. I will give the name as, I have to double quotes on this side, then I will write the name, say Prince. Yes, okay. Then the next thing that I say is, I will say to print yes. Now again I will say print is my pet. So what will happen on this side is, let's run this program. Yes. If you see this name that I have given to this string variable, first of all I have defined a string variable. The name of the string variable is name pet. It is a string variable because there is a $sign at the end. After that I have assigned a value for it. The value is Prince. You have to write the double quotes on this side. Then I say print name pet $. So I say to print this location, whatever value is there in this location, you have to print that. So it has printed Prince. Now again on the next line I say to print this part, is my pet. So it will print directly is my pet. So but now if you see here, there is no space on this side. So when I begin this sentence, I will just put a space on this side and I will again run this. Yeah, Prince is my pet is the sentence that I wanted. So this is how it works. Now what do you mean by case sensitive? What if I just change this small n to capital N? Let's see. Now there is an error. So remember, whatever case you are writing the name, the first variable while defining it, that thing only you have to continue in your programming, otherwise it will not work. It will show an error. Now it will run perfectly. So we have studied two data types. One is numeric and the other one is string. I hope you understood what do you mean by numeric and what do you mean by string. Numeric means it stores decimals and integers, and string can store alphabets, numbers, words, sentences and also special symbols. So there is one more statement called as input statement. Input statement is used when we need to capture an input from a user. The user will type the input in the text output area of the screen. Let's have an example of this and understand. Let's say I write input. I want the name of the programmer who is doing this. So I will write please enter your name. Then I will close it, comma, and whatever input is given, that will be stored as name $sign. Now the name of a person is not numeric, so we know it's a string variable, so that's why I have given a $sign at the end. Now what I will do is I will type print, let's say hello. And what I will print after that? Print the name of that person, whatever input I have received. Let's run this program and see what happens. Please enter your name. I will enter my name, Manoj. And I will say enter. Hello Manoj. This is what the computer will display as the